Are you looking for a prestige community and well-secured subdivision near Katipunan Avenue, Quezon City? It's near Ateneo School, UP Town Center, and UP Diliman. Allow us to introduce the M Residences that offer high-quality homes with elegant designs, customizable layouts to suit your unique needs, and modern living for your family. So here is Kiara Model Unit. Okay, let's check the upgraded Kiara Model Unit. Here is our 2 to 3 car garage. The ground floor, here is our living area. Then here is our dining area that can accommodate up to 8-seater dining set. Then here is our kitchen with elegant kitchen cabinets. Then at the ground floor, we also have a garden area with skylight roof for natural light. At the ground floor, meron po tayong powder room. So here is our service area and servants' quarter. This is our maid's room. At may sariling CR. Tara, let's check naman po ang second floor. So this is our master's bedroom. Maluwag po siya. At may sariling cabinets. It has its own toilet and bath. May sariling balcony na may magandang view na neighborhood. Our second bedroom. Kasyang-kasya po ang double bed. May sariling cabinets at sariling toilet and bath. Since this Kiara model unit is upgraded, it has a third floor and an open deck. Tara, let's check naman po yung third floor. At the third floor, we have our junior master's bedroom. Sariling balcony at may sariling toilet and bath. So this is our fourth bedroom. May sariling cabinets. Kasya po ang double bed or queen size bed. At may sariling toilet and bath. Okay, let's check naman po yung deck area at the fourth floor. So here is the sample of our open deck area. This is very spacious and it can accommodate family occasions and gatherings. like this modern house located in Katipunan Avenue Extension. For viewing schedule and inquiries, please contact us at 0977-859-0581. Please continue to watch our videos for the other model units in M Residences. As a developer's rule, kindly advise 1 to 2 days before your preferred viewing schedule. Thank you very much and God bless to all.